I recently scratch that, my mom bought me, thank you, Mom, a nice new pair of jeans that I love. They have embroidery on them, they're beautiful, flowers, and I wore them and immediately, oil stain on the pants, dropped from eating pizza. Classic me. Welcome to Daily Tips that may or may not help you. My name's Ariel. I'm recording solo today, missing Ned. Today we're talking about oil stains on clothing and how to get them out. I recently learned two possibilities here that will help us get things out of our clothing. The first is dry shampoo. Apply the dry shampoo onto, in my case, the jeans. Wait a while because the dry shampoo needs to do the work of lifting the stain out. And then you can either wash or you can scrub a little bit more if it's a dirtier job. The other option is to use baking soda, and same thing, you're going to want to wait. You're going to want to let the baking soda do the lifting. And then a bonus, you can use a bone spatula to do some of the scrubbing. This is something that you can buy in a store, on Amazon, wherever it is that you get your bone spatulas. So, have I tried these things yet? No, but I'm about to because I really want to wear these jeans again. So, daily bone spatulas that may or may not help you. Thoughts? With that, Tippendales, I'm going to close it out. That was the tip of the day. We'll be back tomorrow with another tip that may or may not help you. And in the meantime, if you want to leave a tip for us so that we can shout you out on this show, go to dailytipspodcast.com. We have a submission form there where you can type in the things that help you, and we would love to talk about your daily tip on the next episode of the show.